Ko whakatāne tēnei. He wāhi e haruru tonu ana ngā kōrero tuku iho. He wāhi e noho tahi nei te toi, te ahurea, me te hapori. Today I'm here to meet someone whose work has shaped conversations across Aotearoa. Tame iti, artist, storyteller, a man who spends his life turning expression into action. Kia ora matua.
Ai, nā mihi e hoa.
Good to see you.
Yeah, hara mai.
I brought the sun with me today.
Ka pai, blue sky, eh?
You're someone that I've looked up to for quite a long time, not just on the creative side, but also for what you've done for our whānau, our people. And to share a creative space with you is pretty much a dream come true. So I'm just excited because I love thrifting and op shopping. I love customizing my own clothes. Can you tell me a little bit about kind of where that started for you, customizing clothing?
Well, I come from the days where everything was made here. And being a little short ass like me, and I used to have to always have clothes cut for me. I'm always interested in fashion, you know. I'm a child of the 50s, the 60s, psychedelic stuff. Well, Jimi Hendrix kind of clothing and stuff like that. You know, time changed. Yeah,
I think even though the times have changed, you've still been a very stylish man.
Oh, yeah. Well, life is theatrical. You know, it's a Monday, what shall I wear on the Monday? The way the system perpetuates violence against our people, they start with the children. Many of us went through all of that, and where we had to write 100 lines for our, not having a taringa to their whakaaro. Yeah, and people need to know about that.
I love that you've put it on merch so that whānau out there can wear it with pride.
Yeah.
And that's something that I love to do, is making clothes that I can wear with pride. And I bought some pair of Levi denim jeans that I wanted to...
That's me, my skinny self, is it?
We're gonna upcycle these. We're gonna cut out some patterns and
to make a hat or something.
Make a bucket hat, one of my famous bucket hats. But I was wondering if there was any chance that I could get you to customize and add your flavor to the portai.
Oh yeah, that'd be interesting.
We'll have a bit of a hautatu. What's your creative process?
It's just automatic. So I don't draw things, I just paint and get into it. A lot of artists, they kind of make a little paper and work out what they're going to do. I don't do that at all. I already had 70 years of it, so they're already there. So just letting go of those layers and come out of that, that's where all the ideas come from. There's millions of it in your head, you know? Activate it.
All right, Matua, we're gonna get into the sewing now. I actually wanted to ask you, I don't have a name for my my sewing machine. I know I sound a bit nerdy, but I like to name everything.
Call it taurahere.
Taurahere?
Yeah, taurahere. Taurahere is pulling things together.
Yeah.
You know.
Taurahere.
Taurahere. Taurahere te pero, the red colour.
That's quite fitting, being from Waikato as well.
Hey.
Thank you, Matua. Thank you for that. I'm gonna finish off this portai, couple of final touches, and then I'm gonna hand it over to you. Do your thing, and then we'll touch base again at the market, eh?
Okay.
Tame doesn't see clothing the way most people do. To him, fabric is another canvas. He wāhi hei kōrero i ngā pūrākau, he wāhi hei wero i te tangata. Just setting up for our market here at the Aotearoa markets. Hopefully we can find some new owners and get some of the stuff back into circulation. The Aotearoa market is a kaupapa Tame and his whānau started to help bring the community together. Koinei te tino kaupapa. Sharing what you make, connecting with people, letting creativity move through community. Oh, Matua, how are we going?
Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Not too busy, you know. You inspire me. You make it so simple, easy, but not, you know. You know, like we always say that, how long did it take you to do that? Well, like we say, all your life. Thank you for that, man.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Matsana.
no.
Something that started on a rack now carries a story, a brushstroke, a moment shared. Te mahi toi, te kuhurua me te hapori, kei te wāhi kotahi. That's thrifting Aotearoa.